We all want that lean, toned look. It's a common goal and for good reason. A toned body not only looks great but also feels amazing. It boosts your confidence and overall health. One of the biggest obstacles? Belly fat. It's stubborn. It's frustrating. It seems like no matter what you do, it just won't budge. But don't lose hope. But guess what? It's beatable. With the right approach, you can conquer it. Many have done it, and so can you. In just 30 days, you can make significant progress. Imagine seeing a noticeable difference in just a month. It's possible with dedication and the right plan. Remember, it's about making small, sustainable changes. These changes add up over time and lead to lasting results. It's not about quick fixes. This isn't about crash diets or insane workout routines. Those might give short-term results, but they aren't sustainable. We need a balanced approach. It's about working smarter, not harder. Using efficient techniques and tools can make a big difference. Track your progress and stay motivated. Are you ready to take on the challenge? It's time to commit and give it your all. Your journey to a fitter you starts now. We're going to break this down into manageable steps. Each step is designed to be easy to follow and effective. You'll learn the right exercises to target belly fat. These exercises are specifically chosen to maximize fat loss and tone your abs. We'll cover the foods that help you lose weight. Nutrition is key, and knowing what to eat can make all the difference, and the ones that hold you back. Avoiding certain foods is just as important as eating the right ones. And we'll talk about lifestyle tweaks that make a huge difference. Stress management, sleep, and other factors play a crucial role. Let's do this together. Let's talk exercise. When it comes to burning belly fat, the right exercises can make all the difference. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to get started. Your home can be your gym. Bodyweight exercises can be incredibly effective. They use your own weight to provide resistance, making them accessible and efficient. Think planks, crunches, and leg raises. These exercises are great for targeting your abdominal muscles and building core strength. These target your core muscles directly. Cardio is also key. It helps to burn the fat that covers your abs. It gets your heart rate up and burns calories. High-intensity cardio workouts are particularly effective for fat loss. Try brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. These activities are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can be done almost anywhere. Even short bursts of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can be super effective. HIIT combines short, intense bursts of exercise with periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Over time, you'll see the results you want. You can't outrun a bad diet. What you eat matters. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains are your friends. Cut back on sugary drinks, processed foods, and excessive unhealthy fats. These contribute to belly fat storage. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. It helps you feel full and aids in digestion. Section 4. Lifestyle changes for long-term success. Losing belly fat isn't just about exercise and diet, it's about making overall lifestyle changes. Stress can lead to increased belly fat storage. Find ways to manage stress like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Sleep is crucial. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to belly fat gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Section 5. Stay motivated, stay consistent. This is a 30-day challenge, but it's really about making lasting changes. It's not just about the short-term gains, but about creating habits that will last a lifetime. There will be days when you don't feel like working out or you're tempted to eat unhealthy foods. These moments are natural and part of the journey. That's okay, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track the next day. Remember, consistency is key, and every small step forward counts. Find a workout buddy or someone to keep you accountable. Having support can make a huge difference in staying motivated and consistent. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a victory worth acknowledging. Take before and after pictures to track your transformation. These photos can be a powerful reminder of how far you've come. Remember why you started this journey, reflect on your goals and the reasons behind them. You've got this. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Section 6. You can do it. Losing belly fat in 30 days is challenging, but it's absolutely achievable. By incorporating these exercise, diet, and lifestyle changes, you'll start to see amazing results. You'll not only look better, but you'll also feel better. You'll have more energy, improved confidence, and a reduced risk of health problems. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make it happen.